Today I'm going to show you a custom-made sign. What's happening, Panda Nation? Peter Von Panda here. I just ordered this little sign here. I think it's about 18 inches long, and I picked it up on Etsy. You can pick up a lot of stuff on Etsy, and as you can see, it's made out of plywood here, and you might want something for your home, maybe your office, maybe a little motivational saying or something like that. But a friend of mine has a little area where she sets up little baked goods and food, and so she calls it the Crispy Cafe. And so I wanted to order a little sign that she could hang over those, because when she has people over and they're helping themselves to delicious food, everyone can see that it says Crispy Cafe. Now, I ordered this one for these particular purposes. I like it because it's a little rustic. Now, what's interesting is this looks like just regular plywood, maybe half an inch thick here, but on the top, the whole thing is like a printed laminate almost. I'm not actually sure how they do this. I'm assuming it's some sort of machine, but the script here is a cursive. And one of the things that I was curious about is when I put in the text that I wanted, I put the cafe here with the E, with the little accent mark over the E, and in fact, it got printed that way. So it got printed exactly the way I wanted it. Now, in the description, you can customize this with up to 2 lines, and you can have different fonts here. So what I was really hoping is that they would center this, and they did. So what I didn't want is it to say Crispy Cafe up here, and then have another blank line down here where I didn't request a second line. So I love the fact that whoever's putting these together knows that they should be centered, and so you could have Crispy Cafe, you know, home baked goods brought to you or something like that below them. But as it stands, this is going to be great. Now, some people might want to attach a piece of twine or something and hang this up. Some people might want, you know, Johnson household and hang this outside their house, or attach it like a shingle or something like that. Some people might just want this on the front of their desk. Welcome to all who enter here, or something of that nature. So if you want a little custom wooden sign, something that looks a little rustic, maybe you go to farmers markets and want your own little company name out there, I don't know. There are all sorts of reasons that something like this might improve your life. And if you want to pick something like this up, customize it for you, I'll put a link to it in the description below. Peter Von Panda, out.
We can discover more and explore so much deeper.